Yo, what is up, fam? Thanks once again for tuning into the channel. So this is KIXPLORE. We're talking everything about sneakers, lifestyle, travel, and a little bit of everything in between. And today, you gotta forgive me, guys, because I'm still under the weather. I'm still a little sick with the cold and flu. But you know, we're still getting through it. I had this. I was a little bit sick when I actually went to the Nike SB collaboration with Jarritos at Fast Times out in Melbourne. But you know, it's okay. I think it was on a Saturday night around 7 p.m. So when I got there wasn't a crowd yet, so they were still setting up inside Fast Time. I think they just finished closing, or they just closed COB, like business hours, and so they were preparing for the event. And then when I got there wasn't hardly anyone there. But before I continue, I just want to give a shout out to Blank Pieces. As you can see here, they were able to send me a hoodie, or two crew shirts and a black hoodie. I wear them all the time. It's just like I haven't gotten around to actually putting content out for it. But I just say Blank Pieces. Definitely go check them out. They got a lot of really great stuff. But yeah, thank you for sending over these pieces. I think they're really dope. Very thick. I like them. They're very high quality, and I definitely miss them a lot. So yeah, definitely check out the website. I wore the green one, if you haven't seen, while I was in Osaka, or I was in the entirety of Japan. Oh man, it was great. It was a great shirt, and I love it, especially in the winter because it's getting cold now here in Australia. So I definitely wear it a lot. So shout out to Blank Pieces. So yeah, there was no line there. But once I came back, because Derek said he was there already, he said, yeah, like, you know, I think we just had to wait outside with everyone else. I thought we were going to be allowed in, honestly, but it's okay because they already had a media crew there already waiting for them, so that's cool. But yeah, the line started to really pick up. There was a lot of people there, a lot of people wearing Nike SBs. There was quite a big build up before the event, and it was pretty exciting because when they did finally open it, they opened up their roller doors. They had this really, really cool fog machine happening because I think they really, really want to hype up this release, this launch. Because if you guys didn't know, that launch was actually, it was set up for those people that actually won the raffle at Fast Times to actually purchase. So yeah, it's like a lot of people there already won their pairs for that Nike SB collaboration with Jarritos. And yeah, so they were just like lining up. But the good thing about it was Fast Times, being really cool people, they were still doing raffle giveaways. So you could possibly win like another pair. I think it was a size 9. Anyone could win that pair with a raffle, because if you're coming in, you're getting a raffle ticket. And there was other prizes as well. Even pair, like one pair of Jarritos, you know, the collab SB. They already had the material taken out of it, because if you haven't seen it before, the Nike Jarritos the actual sneaker, it's one of those ones where you can take away from it. It's like that rucksack material. You can if you're careful with a scalpel, make it look nice and everything like that, you could take away the paneling on the forefront, I think, you know, the quarter paneling and the counter and all that kind of stuff, to reveal the orange on the inside, which is actually really, really cool looking. I gotta admit, I think I like that version better than having just a really cool DS rucksack on the back. It was a really exciting event, and like, shout out to Fast Times, man, because they made it really, really poppin'. Yeah, as I said before, when you come in, you get a raffle ticket. It's all smoke foggy. They did up the side area as well with some cool like kind of activation with Jarritos, and they had one of the marketing guys at the front was like straight like, hey, yeah,
you know where we are.
Like, yeah, what
Get yourselves in here.
It was like, yeah, it was pretty hype. So the line grew up pretty like quickly, and once you come in, right, so you can line up to get your pair that you've actually won previously beforehand, and while you're there you could also line up to get some tacos, and they were giving out free Jarritos drinks. Oh man, if you haven't tried Jarritos drinks before, they're really nice. Like, I really like it. It's just like non-alcoholic pop soda, I guess you could say that. Pineapple is my personal favorite. I always go for that one. And then I don't know, but people have different favorites because when I first started drinking the Jarritos was at I think it was from Lord of the Fries when they used to sell it at Lord of the Fries. They had the pineapple version, and I'd always just go to Lord of the Fries just for mainly the Jarritos. And then eventually they started selling everywhere else, like Guzman y Gomez, and yeah, like pineapple has always been like the goat flavor for me, so I always go for that one. It's just good to catch up with like everyone in the sneaker community. Also, Lionel was there. He was the one that let us look at his pair, take some shots as well. Man, he was funny, man. He was I think they were also serving drinks out on the front counter as well. So it's a really good time, and I haven't been to Pastimes in a really like in a minute because like I don't skateboard. I'm not gonna say I don't skateboard. So when I usually go in there, it's usually just for the clothing or the sneakers and all that kind of stuff. So it's been a while since I've been there, but I had a really good time going inside there. It's good to see like the founders and stuff as well getting amongst it. They're man, they're funny, man. So and yeah, it was just a really fun time. Yeah, sad about the weather, but man, I don't know. It was just good vibes all around. It feels really good to be a part of the sneaker community, even though it's like I don't really do skateboarding and all that kind of stuff, but people that like sneakers in general are in that area, and that's where I like to be. And man, it was a pop-in activation event, man. I really liked it. So yeah, man, like if you guys were there, it was good to see you guys, and yeah, hopefully I can see you at the next activation. Anyway, this was just a short video of the recap that actually happened there. There's going to be more of these coming up, so hopefully I get to cover them for you and kind of let you know about the kind of sneaker event that's happening in Melbourne City. Anyway guys, thanks for once again watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please give me that big thumbs up if you like this stuff. If there's other events that you want to see, please let me know so I can try covering them for you. Anyway guys, thank you once again for watching this video. Please give it that big thumbs up. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Anyway guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.